So using Thai Herbal Compresses can be a great way to bring more relaxation to your partner. It helps, the moist heat helps to release the muscular tension. And the herbs that we use tend to be anti-inflammatory and analgesic, so just that much more level of relaxation. The thing with these, though, is that they tend to be very hot. I use my handy dandy Fry Daddy with water in the bottom to steam them. Always use tongs when you're removing your very hot compresses. Those compresses will have water in them, so you want to smush them around on your towel to make sure that you're not putting hot water on your partner. Test the bottom on your hand or your arm and make sure that it's not too hot. Washcloths are a great way to regulate that temperature. Sometimes when you first pull them out, they're super, super hot and you don't want to put them on anyone. But you want to keep that heat because you just spent 20 minutes waiting for it. So wrap them in a washcloth too if it feels like they're super hot, and then it'll be easy to regulate that temperature. As they cool, you can just remove layers and you've still got a hot, steamy compress to use. So we're going to do the pec press here. So I'm going to take Jordan's hand and put it right on my knee. That gives me a little more stabilization as I traction her arm. I'm going to take the hot compress and place it on her chest. How's that temperature?
Great.
Okay, good. So instead of using my hand to press on her pec, I'm going to use the compress. So I push the compress. I use my knee and my hand to pull her arm so we get deep into her pec. Now because this is hot, if I leave it here longer, she's going to feel the heat a lot more. So you're going to want to use less time with the compresses than you would if you were just using your hand. Sometimes it's a nice test afterwards to remove the compress and just use your hand and see what the difference is. It's almost always softer after using the compress. And because of the heat, you don't need to use nearly as much pressure either. So take it easy.